So our free loops have different functions depending on where you place them on your track. And quite often I need that transitionary loop or sample, just something to take me from A to B. You know, between the chorus and the first verse and the chorus or whatever, you know, just that little area where you need a connector. So I thought this was quite a good connection loop, actually. Very useful. Keep it safe. If you want high quality WAVs, pop over to the Telltale Club on Pond 5. Actually, on my Pond 5 you can also see all of the iServalan artwork, which is up and coming, I would say. Really super artwork that we do mostly for the Telltale Club, the Book of Immersion and stuff. But anyway, here's our free drummy strings transition sample for you today.